Hello students, let's talk about Unit 3, jobs. We sometimes call jobs as occupations. Let's take a look at some sentence structures today. Today, remember two words, W-H-A-T, what, W-H-E-R-E, where. 呢個課題要記住兩個 WH 嘅字，就係兩個問題字眼，分別為 what， 即係問緊你什麼 ，where 就係問緊你有關地方。Before you do your homework today, you have a quick recap here. 咁喺我哋做功課之前，要首先溫咗第一個句式，咁就係之前學咗嘅 what 嘅句子啦。What is dududu's job? He or she is a or an dududu。咁呢一個句子咧，先問緊就係嗰幅圖畫入邊嘅人，佢係做啲乜嘢工作？咁我哋先會係用 what 呢個字眼開始問嘅。英文就係咁特別嘅啦，就係會將 WH 嘅字眼擺喺開頭。什麼 ？What is？ 跟住一個火柴人啦。What is blah blah blah's job？ 咁我哋嘅 blah 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 咧就要睇下佢有冇俾到嗰個名你啦。如果佢有名嘅話咧，你就寫咗佢個名去，再加翻嗰個 apostrophe s 就係代表有關係嘅意思的嘅意思。然後答句咯喎 ，Let's take a look。He or she， 第一步答句咧，我哋通常會諗男定係女啦。咁然後你見到圖畫佢係一個男仔喎，咁你就可以答 he 啦。然後就講下 he 係配乜嘢詞語係一個朋友咯喎。he 同 is 原來係朋友嚟嘅喎。He is blah 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 blah。And don't forget to add the word a。咁好多同學仔咧都會漏咗 a 或者 an 嘅。咁當你去諗到佢工作嘅名之後咧，你就可以講到 he is a vet， 就好似咁樣啦。What is Mr. Ho's job? He is a vet。嚟多次，跟我讀。Read a lot of sentences together. He is a vet. He is a vet. 咁我哋再嚟挑戰一下長啲嘅句子咯喎。Let's try a little bit challenging exercise here. 如果你識做呢一個嘅話，我相信你能夠做得到我俾你嘅功課㗎啦。呢個係源自到嗰本練習嘅其中一題，你哋可以揾翻㗎。What or where? This time we have to think about the word here。究竟我哋喺呢度揀邊一個字號呢？我哋要留意下個問題呢，俾咗你一個好大嘅提示。In a vet clinic， 獸醫嘅診所，即係咧去治理一啲有病咗啊唔舒服嘅小動物啦。We can find some sick animals in a vet clinic. So when we talk about a place, which one will you choose? Dun, 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 dun. I think you will choose where. And don't forget to use big letter WH, big letter W, and then we have WHERE. Where? And then we have Mr. Ho. Mr. Ho is one person only. So we have to think about which one we will choose here, do or does. 咁因為 Mr. Ho 得一個人啦，咁你又諗下咯喎，究竟我哋揀 do 定 does 好咧？咁換言之 ，Mr. Ho 係一個人，所以咧我哋好清楚咧係可以揀到 does 啦。喺問題入邊 ，Where does Mr. Ho？ 然後我哋再諗啦喎 ，Mr. Ho 嗰個動詞最重要嘅動詞就係工作啊嘛，佢喺邊度工作㗎？咁而家大佬就係哥哥咧，就係 does 啦。咁細佬咧，仲要唔要加 s 咧？諗清楚啦。喺問題句入邊咧，因為有哥哥幫佢啦，咁所以咧就唔使再加 s 喺嗰個問題句嘅核心嘅動詞度啦。Where does Mr. Ho work？咁我哋嚟到答句咯喎 ，Let's answer。咁跟住我哋就要諗啦，究竟係 he 定 she 咧 ？He or she？He is a boy, she is a girl。咁 Mr. Ho 好明顯係一個男士啦，咁所以好明顯我哋就會揀 he 啦。He， 然後我哋有個 subject 之後就要做一個動詞啦。咁我哋個動詞就係個工作啦。你見到其實好對應㗎，我哋揾緊嗰個嘅人物。Mr. Ho 對翻 Mr. Ho 喺度，不過變咗 he。然後我哋變去嗰個嘅動作詞，我哋揀咗動作詞係 work。咁今次我哋就會諗啦，原來我哋要加 s 嘅，因為 he 後邊嘅字詞三聲單數就要加 s 啦。咁所以咧 同學仔做練習嘅時候，你都可以咧將佢畫翻個自然句，就係咁樣啦。He works in a vet clinic. He works in a vet clinic. 咁再落到去下一個部分啦喎，你見到咧佢問你 what 定係 where？What or where？咁呢個時候我哋要留意下啦，佢有咗一啲嘅提示俾你嘅喎。He or she treat or treats sick animals。咁呢度講緊嘅就係佢工作嘅內容啦。佢喺工作入邊會做啲咩嘅咧？咁我哋係做啲乜嘢喎？什麼喎？咁好明顯啦。咁我哋自然就會揀 what。然後同上一句一樣，就係問緊 do 定 does 啦。咁而家咧，明顯地我哋會諗得到咧，係得一個人嘅，所以我哋就會係用 does 啦。咁同學仔嗰啲咧，會畫埋箭嘴俾我，都好仔細㗎，真係好細心，欣賞同學仔嘅努力。What does he？然後有哥哥加咗 es，咁細路使唔使加 es 咧？諗一諗，好明顯咧，我哋就係揀緊 do 喺度啦。What does he do in the job? This time, because Mr. Ho is a man, so we have to choose his here. 然後我哋個句子就成為咗 What does he do in his job? 去到最後一句答句就係諗下男定女啦。我相信同學仔心裏都有數 ，because you know that Mr. Ho is a man, so you know it is he. He, and then we have to think about the word treat or treat. Because of he, and then we have s. He treats sick animals. 咁特別解一解 treats 呢個字啦 ，treats 係解對待。You can think about this word as a way to help or behave to somebody or something。咁你可以諗一諗呢個字，即係話係代表佢係去對待、去治理一啲嘅病咗嘅動物啦。咁成個句子就呼之欲出啦。咁所以咧，第三課當你做到呢一步嘅時候，你要問自己每一次問問題咧，你要揀嘅係 what 定係 where 去問。第二步咧，你就要問自己啦，幾時要加 s？第三步你就要諗清楚，究竟佢嘅工作內容或者地方嗰啲字眼，千祈唔好串錯就 OK 嘅啦。If you can do it, let's practice one more time by reading out loud all these words. Where does Mr. Ho work? He works in a vet clinic. What does he do in his job? He treats sick animals. If you can do this exercise, then I guess the homework is not too difficult for you. Let's try. 咁我相信如果你做咗呢一題最難嗰一題咧，其他相對嚟講有多啲提示應該會可以拿捏得到。加油啊，各位同學仔！拜拜！有唔明可以再喺課堂度問啦。